Have you ever wondered who looks out for the well-being of individuals caught in the heart of an armed conflict, especially those held captive? It is a challenging and vital role, ensuring that even in the most difficult circumstances, basic human dignity and international law are upheld. Protecting powers play an absolutely crucial role in safeguarding the rights and treatment of prisoners of war, often referred to as POWs. Their primary duty during visits is to act as neutral observers and intermediaries, ensuring that the detaining power adheres to the provisions of the Third Geneva Convention concerning the treatment of prisoners of war. The existence of protecting powers stems directly from the humanitarian principles embedded in international humanitarian law, or IHL. The Third Geneva Convention mandates that these neutral states, or organizations acting in their stead, must be given access to all places where prisoners of war are detained. This is not merely a formality, but a fundamental mechanism designed to prevent abuse, neglect, and inhumane treatment. The why is simple. Without independent oversight, the vulnerability of prisoners of war could be exploited, leading to severe violations of their human rights. During their visits, protecting powers undertake several key actions. They inspect the conditions of captivity, which includes examining accommodation, food, hygiene, medical care, and religious freedom. Crucially, they have the right to interview prisoners of war privately, without witnesses, to hear any complaints or concerns directly. Following these inspections, they then communicate their findings and any necessary recommendations to the detaining power, while also informing the power of origin of the prisoners of war about their condition. This systematic process ensures transparency and accountability. An interesting detail is that if a protecting power cannot be appointed, or if states involved in the conflict do not agree on one, the International Committee of the Red Cross, or ICRC, often steps in to fulfill a similar humanitarian role. The ICRC, a neutral and impartial humanitarian organization, performs many of the same visiting and reporting functions, acting as a substitute for a designated protecting power, highlighting the essential nature of this oversight. Ultimately, the dedicated work of protecting powers during their visits to prisoners of war serves as a cornerstone of international humanitarian law. It demonstrates that, even amidst the harsh realities of armed conflict, there is a global commitment to ensuring humane treatment. By acting as independent eyes and ears, they help enforce the rules of war, alleviate suffering, and reminded all parties that accountability for the well-being of prisoners of war is paramount.